For me, for someone, if he wants to be a good leader, he must be humble enough na para tanggapin na hindi niya pa alam ang lahat, hindi siya magmamarunong. Kaya with that, ako ay palaging nag-aaral at gusto ko matuto, and I'm always listening. Plus, I think I have those qualities. I'm a fast learner. And very, very important is I know how to use common sense. Dapat, katulad namin mga bagito, hindi dapat nagmamarunong. Dapat we should be humble enough to accept the fact na we don't know everything. And we should learn from everybody, especially sa mga veterano, mga senador na nauna na sa amin. We have so many things to learn from them. They will be our mentors.
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you are corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning, meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
Your Honor, the categories of the firearms is not only individual firearms. We have also cruiser weapons. That cruiser weapons, meron po yung mga 5 o 6 po yung tao na...
And then, sana magmamatch pa rin. Isama mo na yung machine gun, isama mo cruiser weapon, kung ano pa mga weapon, kasama na dapat din.
But I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is a corruption. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry. I'll stand by what I said. Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka na, masaktan ka, I don't care. I'm talking on behalf of the taong bayan.
Ano ka nasisira, ulo?